It is absolutely freezing out here, but I am trying to enjoy our balcony as much as possible now because we are moving soon and our new place won't have a balcony. We won't have a balcony for the first time in over 4 years because Alex's last place in Virginia also had a balcony. Okay, it's actually way too cold. I'm going back inside. It's more.
Oh my god.
Whoa. Her dress looks like a chandelier.
Jeff Goldblum. Woo, Severance! What did he mean?
Sounds like something.
Good morning. It is Friday and our place is a mess because we are moving soon. We have all these boxes everywhere. I'm gonna miss this apartment so much. We have our last day here and then we're going back to the DMV for one day pretty much, and then we're leaving Sunday, and then Monday we are moving. I'm so excited but also really, really sad because I love this apartment and building and I'm gonna miss this view, but we'll have a new view soon. Yeah, anyways, we have to finish packing today. I think we're pretty much almost there, just our little knickknacks and stuff. We also hired a moving company. We went with JP Moving and they're gonna be packing and unpacking some of our stuff too, so. Oh Oh.